have an online brand, Rebari, where we got most of the orders from South, especially Hyderabad. So we thought, why not open a store in Hyderabad itself, from where we got the most love and most orders. So here we are, and we have Darshan Agarkar as a chief guest, who will help us make the brand reach heights. And yeah, so how's the experience wearing Rebari jewelry?
It's great. I mean, I loved doing the photo shoot initially for the brand, and I was very excited to know that silver can be used in so many different ways. And today to be here and see so many varieties, I think it's exceptional.
So basically, we have started the jewelry business. We have the manufacturing business. Our father Ramesh Gupta started the business long way back, and we entered into the retail sector now. It's with his help and Nitin Gupta's the main founder of Rebari online thing. We reached here.
From the last 30 years, we are doing the manufacturing of silver jewelry, gold jewelry, as well as fashion jewelry also. So my father is doing the business from last 30 years. In 2020, on the time of COVID, I joined the business. So I am taking the business to the next level by doing it online. For the 5 years, we do the everything online only. So within India and outside India, we started in 2024. So after getting a huge response from everyone, and we are the manufacturer, so rates. The main thing what we have, the pricing margin. The margin of pricing is compared to every brand. We have the less pricing. So the main thing we started from, in Hyderabad, because here the price consensitive is more. So we have started our brand in Hyderabad by the name of Rebari Jewel, which we have done online initiative in 2022. So emerging movie coming, Chiranjeevi movie with, so it's my dream to celebrate it with Darshan Agarkar only. So I tried many times with Tarun and with RM Bro, called Darshan Agarkar, So after 2 months, it was done. So that's so thank you for coming in our store and celebrating with us.
So
So like D2C, like you are a D2C brand or like
Yes, completely. We are D2C brand. Okay.
how is the difference between like other D2C brands and like you?
The main thing between others and us is we manufacturing regular new designs. In other sector, other businesses, what they do, they trade jewelry from the people, but we manufacture the jewelry, and we supply to all those people who are in the market right now. We supply all those sellers. So the main advantage of the starting of jewelry is we have a price constant we have. This is the unique collection that we make. Is Thappa jewelry, like Thappa jewelry and CPX jewelry. That like actually, ma'am, what was there in casting? There was if you wearing a set, it was 100 grams. In Thappa, it will become 40 grams only. So it will be a good price for the customer also. So she can spend 2.5 times extra for the jewelry, and we have a good offer for our customer also, that 75% exchange value of buying our product. In currently in Hyderabad market or in Telangana, in Andhra, complete Andhra and Telangana, there is only 55 to 65% exchange value. In our store, in Rebari Jewels only, there is 75% of exchange value. So people, customer from here can celebrate with us also and take advantage of buying jewelry from Rebari also.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను దక్ష నగర్కర్. ఈరోజు మనం రేబారీ స్టోర్ ఫస్ట్ స్టోర్ని లాంచ్ చేయడానికి హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చాము. రేబారీ ఇస్ జైపూర్ బేస్డ్ బ్రాండ్, మన అందరికీ తెలుసు. Also from the story I've learned, it originates from a place called Rewari in Rajasthan, and they're bringing their culture. But also fusioning it with a lot of fashion and everything that works in today's time. I think one USP that I feel is a great one for them is because their manufacturing is in-house, the costs are extremely affordable, so that makes them already on the top of the bar. Plus the one, especially the jewelry I'm wearing or the ones that I see around, you have so much for people who go to colleges, for your wedding, for any of your functions, and also usually when we wear such jewelry, it's always very heavy on your neck, you get rashes and all of that, but I've been wearing it for almost 1 hour and I feel like I'm almost wearing nothing, even though it looks like a lot. So I'm absolutely in love with it. I wish them the best for their first store and to many more stores that are going to come, and I'm so happy to be a part of the family. Thank you so much to all the media for coming, and I hope you also put Rebari on the platform. Thank you.
సో జనరల్ గా మీకు జ్యువెలరీలో ఏ కలెక్షన్ అంటే ఎక్కువ ఇష్టం, మీరు దేన్ని ఇష్టపడుతుంటారు?
నేను అన్ని వేసుకుంటాను, నాకు అలాంటిది ఏం లేదు. లైక్
diamonds
ఇఫ్ ఇట్ వర్క్స్ మీ, ఐ లవ్ వాట్ షీ ఈస్ వేరింగ్, ఐ ఆల్సో లవ్ వాట్ షీ ఈస్ వేరింగ్. And I think I don't know why men not wearing, but men also should be wearing because, like you said, Revari men wear a lot of jewelry. So next time we will, for the next store, we will see men also wearing the jewelry. So I think that's also one of the points I want to mention. You know, apart from not making it just women based, there is also something for the men that they could pick up, like some, you know, when you wear a sherwani, you have these long chains, brooches, and everything that you can pick. So it's not only catered, and I'm sure they'll make more stuff for men as well. So this could be like an in-house place for both men and women.
From buy 1 lakh of jewelry and get worth 35,000 jewelry free. You can buy anything 35,000 and above or less. You will get a discount of 35,000 rupees.
How many days it will
It will be till 30th April. Completely this month, 30th April offer is.